Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Lisna Yanti. Let me discuss English for accounting about auditing.
Okay, Unit 4 Auditing. What does an auditor do? Look at the following activities and decide which ones are normally does, internally or externally. As we can see, internal audits come from a department within an organization. An internal auditing team's main task is to monitor the company's process, control, and overall efficiency. Internal auditor help with important jobs like detecting fraud, assessing risks and controls, ensuring legal and regulatory compliance, and tracking and protecting assets. While external audits come from independent accountants from outside an organization. An external auditor is tasked with monitoring and evaluating the accuracy of a business accounting records, whether a business financial statement are a fair representation of its financial position, and whether a business financial records are prepared in accordance with relevant frameworks. Sometimes external audits are also triggered to search for fraud. Okay, uh, an auditor, number one, spends time getting to know the business as well as the environment and the industry in which it operates. What is it? The answer is internal. Okay, number two, analysis the internal business and financial system used to make and record transaction. The answer is internal. Okay, number three, gathers evidence on the financial control system and the figures in the financial statement. The answer is external. Number four, gives advice on the business methods and transaction of the company. What is it? Yes, the answer is external. Number five, examines financial statement to determine whether they conform to generally accepted accounting principle. And the answer is external. Okay. Number six, prepares the financial statement in accordance with the generally accepted accounting principle of the country where the enterprise operates. The answer is internal. Okay, number seven, examine the management report and determines whether it conforms to the financial statement. The answer is external. Okay, number eight, guarantees the correctness of the figures presented in the account. Okay, the answer is internal. Number 9, present a written report to the management of the company describing whether the accounting records, financial statement, and management reports conform to legal requirements. The answer is internal. And the last one, maintains confidently and independence. Yes, the answer is external. Okay, next to the number 2. Last week we discussed about it, and now I will just remember it. Number 2, put the letters into the correct order to make words used in the conversation that have a similar meaning to the words on the right. Okay, number 1, what is the synonym initial? The answer is preliminary. Okay, number 2, the synonym word talk about. The answer is discuss. Number 3, what is synonym improvement? The answer is upgrade. Number 4, synonym rank. Yes, the answer is variety. Next, number 5. What is the synonym big? The answer is sizable. Number 6. What is synonym amount of money? The answer is figure. Number 7. What is the synonym of think about? Yeah, the answer is consider. And the last one, what is synonym sensible? The answer is reasonable. Okay, we move to number 3. Find the sentence on the right which is closest in the meaning to the sentence on the left. Number 1. We have to keep up with the competition. It's same with B. We can't ignore the competition. Number 2. You can't really justify spending so much money on office equipment. The answer is A. You can defend your action. Number 3. This plan is designed to keep us in business. The same sentence or synonym sentence is B. This is a plan to get business. Number 4. This was a sizable investment on our part. Synonym this sentence is B. We spent a lot of money on this. Number 5. These figures are too material for us to ignore. The answer is A. The figures are very high. Number 6. I suggest you consider this again. The answer is A. Have another thing about it. And the last one is I'm sure you will find it reasonable. The answer is B. I think this is a fair. Okay, we move to number 4. Here is the follow-up conversation between Claude and Janet, but the sentences are in the wrong order. Rearrange them so that the conversation makes sense. As we can see in this conversation, number 1 is D. Henley and Sanderson. Janet, Henley speaking. And number 2 is K. Hi Janet, it's Claude. Okay, number 3 is E. Hi Claude, how it's going? Number 4 is M. Not too bad, our latest sales figure are quite good, so the boss is heavy. And number 5 is B. Good to hear. And number 6 is L. Listen Janet, I'm just calling to find out if you've had a chance to look at those capitalization of cost yet. You know our machine upgrades? Okay, number 7 is G. Yes. Actually, we had a meeting this morning. I was just about to send you an email. You will be glad to hear that the partners have agreed with your proposal. The next is number 8. The answer is N. That's great. It will really help. Number 9 is A. Glad to be of assistance. And number 10 is J. One other thing. There are some other things I'd like to go over with you, but I'd prefer to do it in person, not over the phone. Could you come by the office next week sometime? Tuesday, say? Okay, the next is number 11. The answer is C. Tuesday? No, sorry, I'm afraid I'm busy on Tuesday. What about Wednesday morning. It's say 9 a.m. Okay, number 12 is age. Yes, that sounds good. Wednesday at 9. So, Janet, I will see you then. Have a good weekend. And number 13 is F. Yes, you too. Bye. Okay, and the last one or number 14 is I. Bye. Okay, I will read the conversation again from number 1 to number 14. Listen. Henley and Sanderson. Janet Henley speaking. Hi Janet, it's Cloud. Hi Cloud, how it's going? Not too bad. Our latest sales figures are quite good, so the boss is happy. Good to hear. Listen, Janet, I'm just calling to find out if you've had a chance to look at those capitalization of cost yet. You know our machine upgrades? Yes, actually, we had a meeting this morning. I was just about to send you an email. You will be glad to hear that the partners have agreed with your proposal. That's great. It will really help. Glad to be of assistance. One other thing. There are some other things I'd like to go over with you, but I'd prefer to do it in person, not over the phone. Could you come by the office next week sometimes? Tuesday, say. Tuesday? No, sorry, I'm afraid I'm busy on Tuesday. What about Wednesday morning? It's say 9 a.m. Yes, that sounds good. Wednesday at 9. So, Janet, I'll see you then. Have a good weekend. Yes, you too. Bye. Bye. Okay, and then we move to number 7. Auditors often have to write or present reports on the financial information they have audited. This is especially important for enterprises with branches or subsidiaries in foreign countries. Look at the following sentences and decide which graph or chart goes best with the description. Okay, number 1. Figures have increased lately. The answer is A. Number 2. Figures have increased dramatically. The answer is C. Number 3. Figures have increased steadily. The answer is C. Number 4. This is a significant drop. The answer is B. Number 5. This is a gradual drop. The answer is F. Number 6. The situation is stable. The answer is D. And number 7. There have been some fluctuation. The answer is G. Number 8. The situation was pretty bad, but is now improving slowly. The answer is H. Number 9. Profits have been falling since the fire. The answer is I. And the last one, or number 10, we are hovering at around 3%. The answer is E. So, figures have increased slightly. And for B, this is a significant drop. For C, figures have increased dramatically. For D, the situation is stable. And for E, we are hovering at around 3%. And for F, this is a gradual drop. And for G, there have been some fluctuation. For H, the situation was pretty bad but is now improving slowly. And for I, profits have been falling since the fire. And for the G or J, figures have increased steadily. Okay, number 8. Now choose the option which makes most sense. Okay, have a look at this. Last year was really good. Profits fell or rose? The answer is rose. Dramatically after we launched Glenogen, and here you can see how it affected the rest and the market. CFL remained stable or gradual, and the answer is stable, which was a bit of a surprise. But Juneville was hit quite badly. Sales decrease or increase? The answer is decrease to almost non-existence. Now look here. This next graph show what we think will happen next year. Good news again. Everything's going up or down. The answer is up. Okay, uh, I will read the conversation. I will read the text again. Have a look at this. Last year was really good. Profits rose dramatically after we launched Glenogen. And here you can see how it affected the rest of the market. CFL remained stable, which was a bit of a surprise. But Chunville was hit quite badly. Sales decreased to almost non-existent. Now look here. This next graph show what we think will happen next year. Good news again, everything's going up.